Let's go outside and see the other dog.
Choose it.
Yeah, let's take a video.
I like that one right there. This one got a lot of energy right there. Oh, definitely. I know. Look at him, look at him.
I want that for my getting for you. I finished.
I'm just asking. Is that possible?
I can't. It's just way too short to finish.
They have other dogs in the other room. Oh, hi, Instinct. What kind of dog is he? Hi, Lucas. Lucas.
2 applications on them, so you'd be 3 in line. I know. Because you guys have no other dogs, right? No. Let me see.
It's so cute.
What's Nikita?
Where's
Oh, I didn't see you.
No, that one's all set. We already said that.
Over there. And there's and there's more outside. Mommy, there's more dogs in there, and one's the tiniest, so it looks like a fur ball.
They're tiny?
Yeah. There's one's tiny and one's two boys are big.
Tyson, go see the Joe out there. Tyson.
Fur ball. Let's go look outside.
I can take them out. You guys can walk them and then do an application. It's up to you.
So you got 2 people here, what does that mean?
Well, one person, she's not sure, so the other person is definitely coming tomorrow at noontime. But that doesn't always mean that they're going to adopt a dog. So, it's up to you. Do you guys want to attach?